Good morning. It is the 17th of October. This is a Wednesday, and the markets this morning are relatively quiet, although all of the agricultural markets are down at least a very small amount. And as we look at the board, it seems like everything's down at least a small amount. We've got, as far as global stock markets go, Asia is bouncing today. Europe is down. The U.S. is down. We are getting continued pressure. We're seeing continued pressure over news from Saudi Arabia and their involvement in the journalist murder. The Fed minutes also are the news of the day coming out, being released at 1 o'clock today, and these are the minutes from the September 25th, 26th meeting. And believe me, they're looking at that hard as far as signs and signals and hints of further interest rate hikes. It seemed to be probably one of the main situations or one of the main conditions that could lead toward a choking off of all of our markets if we continue to move toward an aggressive interest rate hike. So they'll be looking closely at that. Let's just go to the market. Cotton down 4 at 78.29, a high of 78.60, a low of 78.12. So the market is compressing. Things are quiet. People are kind of waiting and watching. November soybeans down a penny and a half at 8.83 and a quarter, a high of 8.85 and a half, a low of 8.82 and a quarter. Also, corn is down a half at 374 and 3/4 in December corn, a high of 376 and a quarter, a low of 374 and a quarter. Wheat down 5 at 518. The low is 517 and a quarter. The high is 524 and a half. Crude oil is down 35 cents a barrel. That puts November crude at 71.57. The dollar's up 35. Gold down $2 an ounce. Silver's down almost 1 cent an ounce. And the S&P Futures Index is down 10 right now. Calendar for today. Let's see what we've got. Today we have housing starts at 7:30. EIA energy stocks always have an effect on these markets. That comes out at 9:30. And as I mentioned, the Fed minutes at 1 o'clock. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later.